Hey traders, welcome back to a new video. This one is about the indicator called the footprint. Let's add the footprint on our chart. So we go to Navigator and double click on footprint. Once again, you'll get the pop-up about the footprint. We press on common and allow DLL imports. As you can see in the inputs, there are quite some fields that you can fill in or change about colors. But once we click on OK, I'll show you why there are so many things to fill in. As right now, you get the default settings of the footprint, and it is already set on the right pair since we are on the chart of GBP USD. Same as in MetaTrader, which means the same time frame as your chart. And there is here a pop-up saying volume. So right now we see the volume of every 15-minute candle matching here with these candles, but we can also change them into a few different settings. So right now we have the volume, and next one is delta. So the difference in between the buying and the selling pressure. We have also the ask bid. So buyer-seller's difference. And then we have the volume and the delta. So every time there is new information, we got here the bid and ask, which I will tell you more about. You also have like a few other profiles, which I will click on. Volume profile, showing where the most volume was in the candle. The delta profile looks quite clear, right? And then we also have the bid and ask profile. Next to it, we got the tick 1, and you can put it on tick 2, which actually means that information gets more compressed. So right now you see this candle, it's saying with 12, 13 clusters. If you press tick 2, it's going to be 6, 7 clusters. So it gets more compressed. Let me put it back on 1. The other one is to make a vertical line. So you can select a candle. So, and if you want to delete this line, you press on the X and select it. The other one is the horizontal lines. So you can click on it. Right now it's blue, but if you hold your shift button, click again, it will become green, become red, and then the other one, it will disappear. So you can do that everywhere. So let's say I see here quite some activity in this candle. I'm gonna mark the candle vertically. There you go. I also want to mark this level. So I'm gonna press my shift, click on it, and I can change the color in whatever I want to select. Right now, I'll delete these lines. If you think like, wow, this is so small, you can always press on these plus buttons to make it wider, to make it a bit bigger, and then right from it is also the size of the numbers that you can change. Or if that is taking too long, you can also select here normal font, big font, strong font, or narrow font. So let's say you select big font, you see that the numbers become bigger as well. At the end, you also have this icon, which give you a bit more information about the shortcuts of your footprint, like all the different keys that you can press on the keyboard. You have a menu where you can again have the information of the description, which I've been just telling you about. And yeah, some more explanation about it. So I'm gonna go back to this first tab where you can select the pair. I want to show you guys what other pairs you can also pick from. So we have here the Forex pairs. We have some commodities like gold, oil. We have indices as well, and even some crypto. Here at the bottom, you see this blue rectangle. You can really like go back in history of your footprint. So you can drag it along and then say, okay, I see more of this candle. If you want to go back in the month January, let's say we go to January, 11th, and then you say load data, and there you go. You got the data of 11th of January. All right. So guys, if you have any questions about the footprint, don't hesitate to send us a message in the Discord and we'll help you guys further. Thank you.